A new sewer line means economic growth in Nebraska. The details are in the June issue of MSW magazine. Sarpy County in Nebraska turned a wastewater challenge into a massive growth opportunity, unlocking 97,000 new parcels. Could their $130 million infrastructure investment be a blueprint for your region's expansion? See how Envirosight's electric CCTV vans are revolutionizing sewer inspections, slash costs, boost efficiency, and go green. Enjoy uninterrupted power for advanced inspections, quieter operation, and rugged reliability. Learn more now. Visit Envirosight.com. See how Oregon is drought-proofing its future with a $1.6 billion water lifeline. If your municipality is facing water scarcity, read on for a critical lesson in resilience and strategies for a secure water supply. Non-flushables and fog are two of your biggest arch enemies. Check out this surprisingly effective public awareness campaign in California. Alex Renew achieved infrastructure clarity through a holistic asset management overhaul. Learn their secrets for breaking down data silos and predicting the future of their system. Don't gamble with safety. Page 38 highlights crucial steps to prevent deadly backover incidents. Check out the latest innovations in manhole equipment and rehabilitation, from advanced sealants to worker-friendly tools. Page 44 presents quick-hitting case studies on everything from buried valve boxes to corroding manholes, offering actionable insights you can implement today. Concrete clogs got you beat? Brock and AquaJet's Superlant system deliver ultimate concrete removal versatility for your toughest sewer blockages. Pick up the June issue of MSW magazine today. Subscriptions are free. Thank you for watching.